This person is disappointed, guideline, they need information. You are constructive, you never destroy things. It's not just like stuck, but it's too late now. You definitely choose a person with a blessing that right now it's a mystery, it's a secret. Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of July. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? And we are having here High Priestess, the Hermit, Eight of Cups, and the Hierophant. What are the Aries feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Three of Pentacles. What are the Aries feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Knight of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man in reverse. What are the mutual energies, Aries? Six of Swords and Seven of Cups. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Pisces with this High Priestess, Virgo with this Hermit, Taurus with this Hierophant, again Pisces with this Hanged Man, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Ten of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Ten of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Knight of Wands, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Six of Swords. Aries with this High Priestess, your person, it's hard to sort out actually what is actually happening in your life for this person. It's really hard to figure out what the results, what is going on, what will happen. This person entirely don't know what is happening in you with this High Priestess, and this person is totally disappointed. This person is disappointed, walking away from from these all these beautiful emotions and feelings that belongs to you. And this person is just worried, anxiety in this person, curiosity in this person. This person is just want to know what is happening in your brain and what is happening in your life. They don't know about that, and that's why they are walking in a disappointment and really pessimistic way. And with this Hermit card, distance, you distance yourself from this person. This person trying to connect to their inner self, their themselves. They are in a me time, they are distancing themselves alone, figuring out, try to figure out being alone and try to sort out their problems. And for that they need a lot of instructions, they need a guideline, they need information with this Hierophant, and they would need information, they want information how to deal with this thing. They can't figure out what is in you, why you are in mysterious, and why they have to walk away from you. And with this Three of Pentacles, you want to build, you are constructive, you always make things beautiful, and there is some kind of new project in your hand, and everything this new project is about marriage, family, something about your family matters. Ten of Pentacles is all about your inheritance, your family, marriage. That's belongs to that kind of things with this Ten of Pentacles. And you are want to build, you are constructive, you never destroy things, you want to build. And there is a new project in your head, and for your feelings for this person, you getting a vibe from this person is on and off towards you. They are a lot of you can feel that passion in them, they want to do something, but they whenever they try to stand up and do something, they just again sit down. That kind of you getting a vibe from this person. And with this Hanged Man, this is a reverse. It's mean delay, whatever between you two, what is happening, it's delaying. This person is somehow making it late for you, and it's late for this person now. With this Hanged Man, it's not just like stuck, but it's too late now. Whatever this person is doing, whatever they are offering you, what the passion towards you, it's late now. Everything is delay, everything is late for you. And this person trying to find out solutions, trying to move on, but a lot of confusions in front of you, Aries. a lot of options in front of you, and you don't know what should you choose and what should you do. Multiple options and tasks in front of you, and this person is trying to find solutions. Let's see what else we have for you, Aries. What else we have for Aries? And we are having here Ace of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and the Lovers. With this Ace of Wands, passion, enthusiasm, a new idea, something new began in this person. And you want to be single, you want to be alone. This person enthusiasm is there, something new is there. Not doubt they are disappointed because they don't know what how to deal with you, what should they do with you, and they are just like trying to connect to themselves and try to find out solution and finding instructions and finding solutions, and they want information how to deal with you, and then they finally got a new passion in them. And with this Nine of Pentacles, freedom, this person know that you are independent, you are free, you are full of abundance, you are strong on your ground, everything is in your possession, your things, yourself, your happiness, your possession, and you are free, independent. This is, and you want to be single, and you are right now in a singlehood energy, and if you have to choose something, you definitely choose a person with a blessing that you can say that it's my blessed connection, it's my soulmate, it's my twin flames. And there is choices in front of you, you are confused and a lot of options in front of you, and yes, there is choices there. Family, marriage, it's about maybe marriage, it's about maybe family. Maybe this person need to choose, and you need to choose with this Lovers card. Let's see what else we have for you, Aries. That's a oh wow, go with that. We are having here the High Priestess, the Emperor, and Nine of Cups. So again, High Priestess, whatever the query, whatever this person want to know about you right now, delay. Right now they can't find out. Right now there is no solution. Right now it's a mystery, it's a secret, and you are a emperor here, ruling your own empire. You know how to deal. It's a really positive and strong cards. You are free, independent, you are strong, you are ruling your own empire, you are strong on your ground, you are an emperor here, and you can't, nobody can harm you, nobody can move you from your place. And sometimes when you get that kind of position, you sacrifice a lot of things, your happiness sometime, your happy time sometime. Maybe you have to buried a lot of things, you have to do a lot, you get that position after a very long time, and you are not going to sacrifice again your this strong position for false promises and false hopes. And yes, this is a really true thing to do. You are satisfied, you are full of joy, you whatever you are doing, whatever happening, in the end satisfaction is in you. You are satisfied with your decisions, you are satisfied with your actions, and this person don't know what should they do about you. You are an unsolved problem or unsolved mystery for them. Totally, they can't sort you out, they can't solve you. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading, Aries. Caution is warranted. Look deeper into this situation before proceeding further. Whatever you're trying to do, just look deeper and then proceed. So let's see what advice messages. Enjoy your friendships. Think about yourself and value yourself. Give yourself space and listen music. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is you are a complete unsolved mystery, an unsolved secret for this person. And this person is walking away in a disappointment. They want instruction, they want some kind of guideline in order to understand you, but in the end they totally get that they can't solve you. There is some kind of new project waiting for you, it's about family. So something is delay, but you are independent, you are free, and you are satisfied. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.